Hi, I'm Dan Foley with Foley Mechanical. My company is the leading installer of radiant tubing in the Mid-Atlantic region. We're here to do a radiant project using MrPEX PEX-a radiant tubing. We have one day to put down about 5,000 feet of pipe. Concrete's coming Monday, so we have a lot to do. We had our choice of many products available on the market. We chose MrPEX because they're very responsive. They were very helpful in the design stage. They did a full submittal package for us and design drawings. We had to do multiple revisions to satisfy the architect and the general contractor. They turned them around in one day. We also like their product. Their PEX-a is ultra flexible. It bends tight, the tight radius without kinking, and also gives you your choice of whatever connection method you choose, whether it be crimp, compression, or expansion. Whatever tools you have in your toolbox, MrPEX will work. MrPEX, which is a PEX-a tubing, it's got an oxygen diffusion barrier that prevents oxygen from diffusing through the wall into the fluid, preventing corrosion in the heating system. If we happen to kink the pipe, as I've demonstrated here, PEX-a allows you to heat the pipe with a heat gun and put it back to its original molecular state. This saves time, materials, and expenses. You're not able to do this with other manufacturers out there.